The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Deepak, guys, Ray, Dennis, Harold, Sam, guys, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Thank you, Scott. I just put in a pre-market order, if anybody is interested, in the SPX. Good morning, Ray. SPX 3880 calls for today. 3880s. I am not filled. They are currently quoted, last I looked, at 380. I put in a bid at 310. So if we get a pullback, I may get filled. I don't think we're going to get a pullback. We're probably going to 350 here on the ES. Tell me what you have as a current quote, Deepak, if you will. Last I looked, it was 380. I should have done this earlier. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. Guys, I've been running the bots this morning as I always do. Bots are currently up $965. 4x410. He stink. I'm never going to get 310. I'm not chasing them. If I don't get them, I don't get them. Here is NASDAQ bot trade, guys, this morning at 7:33 for a total of 30, let's see, 33, call it 34 handles. Nice job, Rick. 2 order flow trades up. Great job. I think, guys, again, so we got a couple of things going on here today. Tomorrow is quarter end. I do not think they are going to sell this market. Those are today, Sam. Today. I have the combine bots on. Yes. They're all into longs. We have a plethora of central bank speakers, including Powell, who is in Europe, and he begins at 9 a.m. In any event, if I can get those calls at 310, I will. If at the market open we're much higher, I will reevaluate. I may buy 39s or 39.50s. I'll have to see what happens. I put the order in as I was just before I opened the room, and they were at 380. They're now at 410. Let me quickly read the disclaimer, and I'll show you charts and give you my opinion on what's going to happen today. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology, good morning, Hubba, is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine only. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, guys, let's look at charts. This is gold on the bot, just got first target. We're now up over $1,000 on the morning. If you don't own the bot, you're a fool. Just missed my target too. You are a stink face. 4 ticks. Got target 1 on the rip. Anybody take gold? Anybody take gold? Got it on the rip, guys. Ripperoni, baby. Ripperoni. Okay, Brad. All right, fellas. Nice job, guys. Well, it's about, looks like about 60-40 on the got fills to no fills. Some guy, it just went right through a lot of you, and also many of you got filled. Coming down. Short NASDAQ, 650. Short NASDAQ, 650. Target 1 on NASDAQ is 637. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on down. Still think the end result's going to be the, oh, you dog. It's building a small. Come on. $637, target 1. Come on down, right back. Small sellers in here. Now buyers. Losing buyers. Yeah, I hope I get filled in my options trade. Came to a complete standstill. Little M break here. 49, 69, 69. I don't even have my dang Dom set. There we go. Now I do. 69 on the NQ stop. 69. Come on down. Come on, gold. Give me that 35. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. Stop inching down. Let's go. Come on, crackhead. Come on, 37. Come on, 37. 36.75. Target hit, fellas. Target one hit. If you did not get filled, close your trade. Went through by a tick. You guys get filled at 37? Fellas? Okay. Filled. Gary did not get filled at 37. Everybody got filled but one guy. Two guys. That's when you close your trade. Nice job, Lori. Done for the day. Nice job, Patrick. Nice job, Scott. Got guys already done for the day. All right, fellas. Let me get some bots back on. Bots are up 1,065 at the moment. Trading two contracts, by the way. Guys, today is Wednesday, which makes it crude inventory day, which means what? I don't trade crude. Nice job, Kirk, up 1,400. I don't trade crude on Wednesdays. Greg! Just got a bot trade on the NASDAQ. What the? No, it's not on this. It's not on that. Couldn't have been a bot trade. Unless I got a bot hiding out somewhere. It's like, where the hell is this trade? Thank you, Joe. Anybody holding gold still? Anyone have a second target at 35? Okay, Gary. Okay, Rick. Obviously, stop should be at break even, especially if you guys are trading funded or combine accounts. Come on, gold. Go get that sucker. Can't believe it missed me by a stinking tick. Okay, I mean. Stop is even, fellas. Guys, NASDAQ is just got nothing going on here. Nothing. Very slow and quiet. Probably waiting on Powell. It's in the POHASE for long. It's in the C phase. Okay. All right, I'm going to kill this trade and shut my bot off until Powell speaks. Gold is probably doing the same thing, just floating here. Guys, I'll be 1 minute. I'm just going to get coffee. All right, fellas, I'm going to close this gold trade. I'm out of gold. It may or may not go. Powell starts speaking here momentarily, but no sense in giving anything back. We've made some do-re-mi already today, doing what we do. Remember, this is a 30 range, so these are scalps. If you took the long about 26, you got 13 handles in it. Russell selling. Come on, gold, come to target and get out of my screen. Hang on, guys. Target one filled on gold. Mac, if you're in the room, thank you. Just lost on Yankee because of lag. Yep. That's what I said. Make sure you don't have lag, fellas. Anybody buy 3770 puts? Anybody? Nobody bought 3770 puts, okay? Tesla broke 680. It's dead. It's dead. What time is it? 39. All right, guys. We break 3,800. This gets brutalized. Brutalized. NASDAQ, if anybody is interested, we're shorts now. I'm short NASDAQ, guys. I'm short NASDAQ in my cash account, 91. Nobody bought 3870 or 3770 puts, huh? There's both targets filled on gold on the bot. Both targets filled on gold. I'm short 91 in my cash account. And right back up. We could go back up to 37, so be careful. Grabbed a Tesla 700 put. Nice. You are a dog. This came so close to getting slaughtered. I'm still short, guys. I haven't closed my trade. Still on $200. I have one contract. Need to come back down below this whole number. Sell them all. Break that 570 and come on down to 550. I'm trying to get to 500. Yeah, come on, you scum. Just die. Just die. Got some buyers in here. Come on. I'm short 91, brother. I said it. I told it. Told you. I'm trying to get this thing down to 50 and then 500. There's another bot trade somewhere. But when they go in the profit, guys, 15, 16 handles, you guys have to manage your trades, right? Especially if you're trading a funded account or you're trading a combine account. You don't have the latitude that I or somebody else in a cash account may. And even if you're trading a cash account, you have to trade your account, right? I may be able to assume a lot more risk than you. But 550 is where this should come. Maybe 560 is, a target. And then 500. Will you look at that? Got almost 30 handles in this puppy, fellas. There's no way in hell that you allow this to go to a losing trade. There is no way in hell. $503 is your target on the hourlies. $503. But again, if you're an hourly trader, you're trading to 500. If you are not an hourly trader, then you're trading for 30 points, 20 points, 15 points, etc. Right? Right back to entry. We do have Feds. You know what? Somewhere I got a bot trade and I don't know where it is. It's on the ES. This sucker came one tick from target. One tick to target. Remember, we have Fed speakers. Yeah, we bounced again. Boy, Tesla's just getting throttled. Throttled. Resistance again here at 25. Failed it again. Should come back to 01. We have 70 net buyers. We're fouling this level here, 10 again. I would take this long, maybe around 15 on the ES. I want it all the way through this sucker and motoring. So that would be where I would take it long, 15. NASDAQ, you could take that long maybe at 30, but your target, it's not much. It's going to have to get through 40. So 37, 38, it's a small target. We're failing 25. We should come back to 600. We're kind of locked in a small range, but we are shorts. We're not longs. Powell just said they may over tighten. If this 15 triggers, my first target is going to be 9. Big offer at 17, but I'm going to try for 19. Coming back down. Come on, come back down. Target 1 is 19. Target 1 is 19. Always as you see fit then, fellas. Always as you see fit. Got 1850. 19 target hit and filled. 19 target hit and filled. Now I'm trying to get 28 from 15. Got to get through VWAP, right? Where's stop? Break even. 28, next target. 29 is volume point of control. Look at this NASDAQ. If you guys want to get super aggressive, you can try for a 35 target. How you like me now, baby? How you like me now? Guys, if you ain't making money, you ain't trading. You're doing your own thing, fellas. You are doing your own thing. 35, next level. Then 50. You guys good? Guys? Yep. All right, so we got another funded trader, Tom. And then we've got Jeff Lynch. Jeff, did you get funded again today? And 35 target hit. 3850 would be, okay, so just Tom Scott. All right. So this yesterday put us at 65 funded traders for the month. Jalen Jones, first one. Congratulations. And Brett got 3 funded today. They're making corrections on the Richmond Fed number previously disclosed. These guys are scumbags. They're scumbags. You're welcome, Jalen. Is there anybody not making money, guys? Anybody not making money? If somebody tells me they are down, I'm going to scream. Is there anybody down, losing money? Got them on yes. No, you're not. You're kidding. I know you're kidding. Nice job, Ricky. My brother's up about $1,000 in 3 accounts. Gold's been waylaid. Yeah. I think you can buy 3,900 calls. Well, it's only 325. I mean, we got all day. Let's get a pullback in here. Let them settle down, fellas. We're in no hurry. Yes, I did. That they could overshoot. I'm listening to them. Holding support here about 27. All right, everybody sit tight. Remember what I showed you on the hourly, right? Before everybody gets excited, let's go back to a 60-minute chart. Here's the hourly. I think we get back to 3850s here. But let's look at that NASDAQ. Here's the NASDAQ. We held my lower support. You passed, Robert? Did you pass? We held that lower support. We came slightly through. All right, Robert. Another funded trader. It's his first. Congratulations. It's 69 for the month. For the month. Got to get up through this area in here, guys. 65, I would be long and strong. 765, long and strong on the NASDAQ. Here's gold. My God. Tell me it ain't so. Came exactly to my support and bounced. Can only trade so much stuff, fellas. Dollar came right down to support and held. ES still not busting a move for real. Watch the break back below VWAP on NQ. ES could come back to 15 where we bought it. Let's see, 58. Yeah. If we come down below VWAP, let's see here. Mimi. Must hold support, which back tested last Friday. Bottom targets. Yeah, I'm looking for, again, I'm not really sold on the longs. We're obviously in a news-driven environment here. Close below VWAP, and I'm shorting again with a target down near 25. But I've got to get below VWAP. We have support at 41. Let me look at a smaller time frame. Yeah, I don't have shorts. I don't have shorts. I don't have shorts on any time frame yet. ES, you could buy 38.50 calls. You can buy 38.50 calls ES. 750 is the big deal for NASDAQ, guys. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. NASDAQ's got to break above 28 to 30. There it goes. 24's got to break on NASDAQ. 24. There it is. Now we're going to run into a wall from 31 up to 35. There it goes. This is where it's got to break out, baby. Break them out, baby. I'm giving you trades, guys, if you're paying attention. I am long NASDAQ, fellas, from 0975. One contract, 0975. We're going, fellas. Anybody buy 3850s? Anybody buy 3850 calls? Anybody? Goal hit for the day. Nice job, Carl. 3850 calls? Nobody. Okay. NASDAQ's going, guys. We get above 60. Yeah, we're going to break it. Nice job, Becky. Good for you. Okay, Deepak. NASDAQ gets above, call it 60, 65, and she blows. I mean blows. Blows up today and tomorrow. Nope. Nope. If you missed a trade, you missed a trade. I was in at 09 and out at 42. Just relax. Let's see here. If we don't take out on the initial balance. Yeah, we got to get above 51, 52. We need to get above 52 to keep going. So that's support. This is resistance. That should be red. We've got a double top here. At 40. Fed's Powell looking back, we got supply side timing issues wrong. Fudging clown. These guys have messed this up so badly it's not funny. They really have. Just enjoying my cappuccino. It isn't funny, actually. You're right. Guys, if you're not making money, just be patient. Be patient. It's easy to be smug when you trade on your own information. Jason, I think we did. I don't remember because I don't use them. Because I use the breakout. I use the trend candles. Paciencia. That's right. Am I saying that right? Pastencia? Josh? Jason, yes. Let's just take a look at the markets here, guys, see if we can get a sense. I think down. NASDAQ's only up 24 points. ES is up 5. I am contemplating now buying puts. Just for a trade, fellas, for a trade. Watch NASDAQ here. We can go to 70 or break down to 600. Close. My Espanol. Listen. The only thing I know in Spanish, and some of my Spanish guys will get it. I mean, obviously I know some words like un poquito and small stuff. No mas. I know no mas. I know that from Roberto Duran years ago. No mas. I know if I were single, if I were a single guy, WAP, who took the short? Guys, I'm watching 100 different things. There you go, fellas. And ES. Okay, guys. Shoot, if you can't make money, if you guys are on trial and you're not with me on Tuesday when we come back from July 4th, I wish you all the well. You guys will need all the luck in the world. You should probably take some risk off if you're trading multiples on NASDAQ. If you're short, Harold, final target 609, 610, 610. I think we implode, guys. I think it implodes. The only support that ES has next is here, this 3810, but it's already been broken. NASDAQ target, final target, 610. 610 from 64. My work here is finished. Here comes your SPX. I will tell you guys, I got an assist on that trade from Mimi. Thank you, Mimi. But, that's the benefit of having multiple sets of eyes that are all looking at the same thing. I miss things because I'm watching the NASDAQ and I don't see the ES. I'm watching crude and I don't see the NASDAQ. Anybody buy Tesla puts? Nice job, Mimi. Anybody buy Tesla puts? Here comes the break, fellas. Okay, Sharon. Why would you short 34? I'm just curious, Dan. Tell me the thinking behind shorting the low. What is the thinking on that? That is not what you've been taught to do. I mean, I'm not saying the trade doesn't work because I still think we come to 610. But I gave you the trade on the break of VWAP. I gave you the trade. It may still make money, but the easiest trade we do is VWAP. I mean, seriously. I know you don't need my help. I know you're a phenomenal trader on your own. Now, when I give a trade, it's their weekly expirations. I'm not tomorrow, Friday. Today is Wednesday. They would be Fridays. Unless they're SPX, I may be trading the dailies. Send me an email. I mean, this is why I don't short bottoms, guys. You sold 34. You got 4 handles out of it. 37.95 is the 50% for possible long from last swing. Okay. No, we had an oil report on Monday from last week. We got Mondays. Short YM, NQ, and ES. I like them all short. I like them all short. I don't like longs. There are no longs. Here we come, fellas. Anybody still holding on to those 3,800 puts? If we break through 10, you're going to see 3,800 quickly. If you've got 3,800 SPX puts. Okay, Chuck. Got to get down through that 10 again. This is where NASDAQ should fail, 52. If Tesla takes out that double bottom, they're going to roll hard. They're going to roll hard. All right, we failed that 50 area, didn't quite get to 52, but here comes the breakdown of the previous 10-minute bar. Now they're saying the Monday reports had errors and they will be adjusted. I mean, what is that, a way to sneak them in? That's just baloney. Yeah, there's a bot trade somewhere. NASDAQ. On the 3-minute bot. NASDAQ. Now we're just chunking around support. That's what these lines are here. Same with the ES. I need to get below 10. And we're coming down to 3,800. Below 10, it's going to be a zip. If it was good news, they'd be on time. I think they're just making it up. Somebody just bought Tesla, $1 million of Tesla puts, $675 strike, July 8th expiration. That's why I don't pay any attention to these cockamamie numbers. That was you? Nice, Andy. Nice. Could have been Deepak. Was it you, Deepak? Musk's hedging. If you guys have the gumption, you can buy a 38.50 call. I told you, I mean, you sold the bottom, dude. The trade was VWAP. And again, you know, I missed the trade here. The trade is VWAP. Easiest trade we do. Easiest trade on the planet. Yeah, I got taken out too. On NASDAQ. Bots are still up 740. My bias is still shorts, guys, unless we get above 38.40. But with, you know, you got Powell speaking, so these algos are reacting to every damn thing he says. Bang, bam, 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 bam. Oh, and Lagarde speaking as well. Yep. And another bot trade. All right, Rich. Now we got a long on the NASDAQ. I'm not trusting. I am very distrusting of this long. Very. I mean, ES would have to help out here. Again, guys, it's not helping that, you know, with Powell speaking, we're just getting, we're pinging all over the place. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. Giddy up. Got to get up through 704, and this will go. I don't think it can get target, but it'll go. Took 50% off profits from SPY puts and bought 385 calls. Nice. Good move. Using profits to make money. Well, we've already been above that, so that's broken. Powell reiterating the Fed fully understands the pain of higher inflation. Right. Sure he does. Small time frame, we're setting up 1 minute, we're setting up a bear flag. Oil is delayed, is that correct? This is part and parcel of Powell speaking. There's not much we can do about the volatility. Hey, Ian, anybody else scalping these puts and calls, guys? We get above 40, we're going to break. I would take a 42. Okay, Becky. I would take 42 long on the ES with a first target at 48. And then if we break through 51.2, told you I was inclined to buy calls. There's finally. got target on find it here. We got target on NASDAQ 29 points, 29 handles. Oddly enough, nothing else is firing. I have had no trades on, well, I did have a trade on gold. And I've got Bupkis on, where's my Russell? Russell's not taking a dang trade today on the bot. I don't trade CL on inventory days. I stay away from crude. You guys know that. I said it. Are you up now, Amin? Nice job. Nice job. I'm at 42. If we get above that double top at 40, we still have a problem at 51, 52. So I'll take a 42 with a 48, target 1. It's 10:45 thereabouts, 20 seconds to 10:45. I still think you can buy 38.50 calls. They're going to be pricey now, but coming back through VWAP, you should have bought them when we were at 30. I don't know about that. I'm not holding nothing for 4 days. GDP was a huge miss. And I don't know. I think this is just end of the month rebalancing. And I think that we start to die next week again. I could be dead wrong. It's, again, my opinion. I don't want to talk anybody out of doing something they want to do. 38.50 calls, guys. Maybe 38.70s. All right, Ricky. Up 591, 403, and 573. Total is 1208 across 3 accounts. My man. For those of you guys that don't know, that's my youngest brother. Only took me 10 years to convince him to be a trader. Nice job, Ricky. My middle brother has tried to trade. He, unfortunately, knows too much to trade. We are long in the tooth in our session, meaning it is 10:47. I have a shoot ton of ticks. So if I take a loss on this trade, it will not affect me. If you guys are moderately green and a loss would make you red, you may wish to pass. You don't have another 2 hours to get ticks back. If you have the ticks and you're willing to take the risk, you can take this ES trade. But again, that's your call. We'll be done here in about 10, 12 minutes. Does anybody have any questions? Bots are up 680. Nice day. Those are their firsts. So kudos to Robert and Jalen. You qualified. Well, you didn't tell me, dude. You didn't tell me. How many? 2. That puts us at 72 for the month. Right? 71, 65, 71. You're welcome, Jalen. You're welcome. Listen, you still got to do the work and you still have to take the trades. Nice job. Nice job. Up to about 600 sellers. You can short NASDAQ, guys. If you guys need a trade with a target one at 670, 670. You're at 91. Target one is 670. Yeah, call it 73. 673. Let's see here, Mark. You have a special discount code? Yes. Yeah. Yep. 80%. You can, Mark, and it'll be Tuesday. The market's closed on Monday, federal holiday. But the answer is yes. So if anybody, guys, if anybody would like to be in the, no, there is not a special discount code. If you fail a combine, you get a discount code. Anybody that would like to be in the group beginning Monday, not Tuesday, send me an email. Tell me you want to be included in the group. But I'm just forewarned as forearmed. You're going to, again, have to report your daily totals to me. If, some of you guys say, somebody says, yeah, I want in. And you're going to go 2 days, 3 days and not report, I'm taking you out and I'll ignore you. I don't have time. If you can't trade every day, that's one thing. But you still have to send me an email and say I didn't trade. Yeah, no worries, Jason. Where do you farm? What state are you in? Oh, you're in New Brunswick. You want me to come up and shoot some of them deer that are probably a problem for you? Let me know. Tim, I'm going to start, like we did with the funded trader group. Same thing, right? So this month we did 71 with tomorrow still in play. We could get 75, maybe more this month. If you guys want to go through it again, remember, I hold everybody accountable. No, New Brunswick, Canada, not New Jersey. Where'd you go to school in New Jersey? Rutgers? Yeah, Rutgers. Good school. Actually, very good school. Guys, Tesla's going to get bombarded. I'm just letting you know. Tesla's going to get bombed. Powell is done. Thank you. Tesla's going to get bombed. Anybody have Tesla puts? New Jersey Institute of Technology. Very nice. What's your degree in? Engineering? Computer engineering? Anybody short the NASDAQ when I said you could short the NASDAQ? That pink line is your first target. Anybody short NASDAQ? Still think we're coming down. ES is breaking VWAP. We know what that means. So anybody that wants to be in the group that starts Tuesday, guys, not Monday. Monday's a holiday. Please email me between today and Monday and I will add you guys to the list. I'm going to redo it. Going to delete all this month's data, and I'm going to start the list fresh. I will track them every day. We will have education again next Saturday, just to go over everything and cement it into your heads. If you are funded, Carl, if you guys are funded, stop. My stop is when it gets to my dang target, Dan. This sucker better come down to my target. I'm not playing with it. It's coming to my target. You're going to get 72, 73 target one, and then a break of VWAP is going to, if you have multiples on, that's going to be your, look at this rat bag, comes to 78. Come on, give me the damn thing. We've got sellers, guys. Look at this rat dog. Stop is 702. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I can work on more than, of course you can. Yeah. Yep, you get the trade copier. Most of us have it. But you have to be, just so you know, you have to, there's a way to use the trade copier. You have to keep your positions page up in Ninja. I mean, it's in the videos, and you just watch the videos in the member area. You have to keep that trade copier up. I mean, you're welcome, Ozzy. You have to keep your position tab up on Ninja, and you have to watch every time you get a trade in and out to make sure they've all filled correctly and exit correctly. And if not, you have to keep your Apex page up where it says flattened positions. It's generally not a problem if you're trading, 2 or 3 or 4 accounts. When we got guys that are trading 20. We've had guys blow up 10 at once because the trade copier just totally screwed the trade. They didn't get out, but they didn't know that it left positions on. So you have to be very careful. Come on, give me my target at 73. You kidding me? Give me that target. Look at this. Boom, hit it to the tick. There is no order flow web page, no. There we go. Now it's free trade on a break of VWAP. Anybody take the puts when I said you could buy 3,800 puts? I think you could probably trade those into the close. And then if we're going to bid, it's going to be after 11:30. Now NASDAQ's a really nice trade, fellas. It'll be after 11:30. They'll try to trap the shorts, but I don't know that they do. Nice job, Peter. Guys, all we do is make money, man. All we do is make money. Tesla's going to break down big time. Anybody have any questions before I wrap it up? You're welcome, Jeff. Guys, it's that time of day.